Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to customize the Edge panel or Edge panel handle on your latest Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, in the home screen, just you can see the Edge panel handle like this on your Samsung device. Just swipe it to access the Edge panel on your device. Here you can quickly access your favorite application, your favorite personal contact or different settings on your device. So in this video I will show you how to use edge panel or how to customize the edge panel handle also. Like if you want to change the edge panel handle from left to right, change the color of edge panel handle, increase or decrease the size of edge panel handle, all details in this video. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Here you can search for the edge panel or you can find it in the display section. Here you can see the edge panel in the display section, so you can search it or scroll down up to the display, tap on a display. Now here you can find the edge panel option. So here you can see the edge panel option. By default, toggle off this option, toggle on your device. So tap on edge panel. Now here you can see the edge panel and a handle to customization settings. So first tap on a panels. Now here when we swipe, you can see the application by default selected. Here you can edit the application you want to add on the edge panel, like tap on the app like we add the Facebook. So tap on it, it will add to the edge panel handle. If you want to remove it, just tap on the minus icon to remove from the edge panel on your device. So add your favorite application to quickly access from the edge panel from the home screen. Now go back. Now when you swipe and you can access the Facebook or Flipkart from the home screen on a device. You can also add multiple panels, like if you want to select the contact, if you want to select the task, weather application, tools, clipboard, music, reminder. To select the option, like we select the task option. So now go back, now go to home, and when you swipe to open edge panel, just swipe and you can access the task you want to set on your device, like take a screenshot. Just tap on it to take a screenshot using the edge panel on your device like this on your phone. So very helpful feature in the edge panel. Also when you open it, tap on the setting gear icon to quickly add the panel on your device. Just tap on it to remove it on your device. Now in the edge panel you can also see the three dots. Here you can uninstall it or hide on the lock screen option. So if you want to hide it on the lock screen, just select hide on the lock screen. Now take about the edge panel handle. Here you can see the edge panel handle, this. So tap on it. Now here you can change the edge panel handle from right to left. So here you can see the left side. Now select the right to select the right edge panel handle. Here you can lock the handle position, like here you can move it like this on your device in a Samsung phone. If you want to move the edge panel handle position, just toggle on it to lock it on your device. Lock the edge panel handle on your device. If you want to set, here you can see the color. So select the color you want to set. Customize your favorite color, tap on a done to change the edge panel handle color style. Also increase or decrease the transparency, like we set low. Here you can see, or you can see it high transparency or low transparency. Select the low transparency to easily show on your screen. Also increase the smile or now here you can see increase the size of a edge panel handle. Here you can see the set small edge panel handle size in a device. Also increase or decrease the width like this type of, but I think thin is the best edge panel. So you can set the size, width, transparency on your device edge panel handle. So this is all about edge panel customization settings on your latest Samsung One UI 8. If you don't want to use, just Google up it and you can see remove the edge panel handle from the screen. But very helpful feature to quickly access your favorite application. Take a screenshot using the home screen on your device. Just swipe it to access the edge panel. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.